Good morning. It's Monday, October 13th. My name is Sofía Cruz, and the markets are moving in a way nobody expected to. We have tariffs, tech, gold, crypto, all in opposite directions. And that's exactly why today's briefing really matters. If you want to know what could happen to your money by the end of this week, stay until the end of this episode because we're going to be talking about how China just tightened export controls on rare earth metals, putting new pressure on the US. Then Trump hit back with 100% tariffs, triggering a $19 billion crypto crash. And there's a new bill in the making for AMD and Nvidia, and it has a lot to do with these geopolitical tensions. Now let's get into it. Let's start with Beijing, because on October 9th, China expanded its export controls, adding 5 more rare earth metals to its restricted list, bringing it to a total of 12. It also limited export of dozens of mining and refining equipment. These metals are super important for semiconductors, magnets, and more specifically, defense manufacturing. And China actually controls 60% of these. Trump responded really fast and said that he would raise 100% US tariffs on them. And so, yeah, I hope they get to have a meeting because these tensions are affecting everybody. And as soon as Trump's tariffs hit, crypto markets imploded. Within 24 hours, $19 billion in leverage bets were liquidated and 1.6 million traders were wiped out. We saw Bitcoin dropping below $105,000 and other cryptocurrencies on the red as well this past weekend. It was a chain reaction because automatic sell-offs, low liquidity, and a lot of people doing it at the same time. Then Sunday night, we see Trump and Vice President J.D. Vance. They said that there could be a potential deal with China coming all together for a reason, and there's this little bit of market confidence. And so we see this Monday. The crypto market cap rose 6% to over $4 trillion. Bitcoin recovered to $115,000. And we see some other indices like the SP 500, like up about 1.2%. NASDAQ 100 jumped 2.3%. And there are banks like JP Morgan and Citibank that are telling investors to go into more Chinese value stock, but we'll see what happens. These are being taken as the safer option currently, and it's clear that investors are currently uncertain because we can see by gold futures. It's hitting a record of $4,070 announced, while silver finally passed the $50 price tag. And it's just, we see this. There's the CEO of Wheaton Precious Metals who's saying that gold could breach to $5,000, even $10,000 by this decade end. But we'll see if how this plays out, because it's not just a hedge, it's the trust of a typical investor. Senator Jim Banks wants Nvidia and AMD to prioritize US clients over China for advanced AI chips. The tech leaders, of course, don't want this to happen, but in short, we have tariffs hitting goods, this bill on technology itself, and that's why investors are calling this the tip of the iceberg or just the beginning of a bigger market crash. There's a lot going on. And so we see money is moving faster due to these headlines, not even because of the volatility or because of any other issues, just the system. I'm Sofía Cruz, and this was your Monday market briefing. If this helped you understand what's really driving the markets, please share with somebody who follows them as closely as you do. And I'll see you tomorrow.